In a prior post, I began talking to people about how it is that you prepare for a search warrant case and to challenge evidence obtained pursuant to a search warrant. In this post, I'm going to basically give you my template search warrant motion to suppress. But I want to talk to you a little bit about a problem that I see a lot of people making in challenging search warrant cases. What they do, a lot of times people are doing, is that instead of actually trying to particularize the motion by just pointing to the search warrant affidavit, problems that they believe exist, a lot of times they try to short circuit that process by attaching a copy of the affidavit to their motion to suppress. Do not make the mistake of either attaching the search warrant itself or your search warrant affidavits offered to the magistrate in support of the search warrant to your motion to suppress. And the reason is very simply, the state's required at the motion to suppress hearing to introduce evidence of the search warrant, to introduce evidence of the search warrant affidavit to support the issuance of the warrant. If the state fails to introduce evidence of that affidavit, you win. It's very clear under our case law that you win. However, if you go so far as to attach that to your motion to suppress, and I have no idea why it is that lawyers would do this, strategically though, you need to be purposeful about this and know that you do not need to attach your search warrant affidavit or your search warrant to your motion to suppress. Go forward and make your negative allegations, make allegations that put them on notice of what it is you're challenging, let them know the search warrant that you are in fact challenging in your motion to suppress, but you don't need to do much more than that. Once you put them on notice of it, then you have to raise particular issues as to the sufficiency of the affidavit or insufficiency of the affidavit or warrant. So make sure that you're not making that strategic error of attaching documents that would meet the state's burden of proof at the motion to suppress on your own. Hold them to that burden. Make sure that they're going forward and putting the evidence of that hearing that they're required to under our law. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. My name is Ben Sessions. My phone number is 470-225-7710. Again, 470-225-7710. Thank you.